Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2230 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your vehicle's oxygen sensor signal circuit. And if left unresolved, it can affect fuel economy, engine performance, emissions, and may eventually damage the catalytic converter. What does P2230 mean? P2230 stands for OTA sensor signal circuit short to heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signal circuit of the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 has shorted to the heater circuit. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and sends this information to the ECU. The heater inside the sensor helps it reach operating temperature quickly after startup. When the signal wire and heater circuit become electrically connected due to damaged wiring or an internal sensor fault, the ECU receives incorrect information and stores the P2230 code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2230, you may notice: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idle, engine hesitation, reduced engine performance, hard starting, increased exhaust emissions, and sometimes engine misfires. If ignored for a long time, this fault can also reduce the life of the catalytic converter. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 is the upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter. It is usually threaded into the exhaust manifold or the front exhaust pipe close to the engine. The sensor wiring harness runs through the engine bay and connects directly to the ECU. Because of its location, the wiring is exposed to extreme heat, vibration, and moisture. The most common causes of P2230 include: faulty upstream oxygen sensor, internal short inside the oxygen sensor, damaged wiring harness, melted or rubbed through sensor wires, loose or corroded electrical connectors, short between the signal wire and heater wire, or ECU problems in very rare cases. Heat damage near the exhaust manifold is one of the most common reasons for this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional oxygen sensor or fuel system trouble codes. Inspect the oxygen sensor wiring carefully. Look for melted insulation, broken wires, or signs of rubbing against hot exhaust components. Check the connector for corrosion or moisture. Use a digital multimeter to test the heater circuit, signal circuit, and continuity. And monitor live oxygen sensor data using a professional obd2 scan tool. How to fix P2230. Repair damaged wiring, separate and repair any shorted wires. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty upstream oxygen sensor if testing confirms failure. Clear the code, start the engine, and perform a complete road test while monitoring live sensor data to verify the repair. Final result: fixing P2230 will restore accurate oxygen sensor readings, improve fuel economy, reduce exhaust emissions, protect the catalytic converter, and help your engine run smoothly and efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.